What if I told you the average 9 to 5 worker has access to a secret assistant and most people still aren't using it? You know, too many emails, meetings, reports, and not enough time, right? So here's the thing, AI isn't just for tech people. Most people think AI means replacing jobs. That's not really the smart move. The real move, use AI to remove the boring stuff in your life. Need an email written? Paste your rough thoughts and say, rewrite this professionally and keep it short. No staring at a blank screen for 20 minutes anymore. Now imagine meetings. You leave with messy notes everywhere. Half the room already forgot what happened. Paste your notes into AI and say, turn this into action items and deadlines. Suddenly you look organized, even if the meeting was chaos. And here's another huge one. AI can literally become your private tutor. Simply ask, teach me Excel like I'm a beginner. Explain the software problem step by step. No waiting for training, no bothering your fellow coworkers. Here's where things get interesting. AI can help you with resumes, interview practice, side hustles, even planning a career backup. In a world where jobs keep changing, that matters. Because the people winning with AI aren't necessarily smarter, they're just finishing work faster. Even saving 20 or 30 minutes every day starts adding up pretty fast.